Luminate Exchange event, you get to meet other individuals that are utilising the product from a variety of different sectors. So as I say, I'm from financial services, but there's other industries here as well. And then you also get to see what's on the roadmap, what's coming next.
What's really interesting is hearing some of the experts sitting at the front of the room talking about things. I always think if I can come to an event and take maybe 2 things away, it's a success. And what I find with the Luminate events that I've been to in the past, I normally get 1 or 2 things from every one of the sessions. So it's a very good use of my time, I think, coming to these.
Seeing what's coming up in the pipeline, speaking to, meeting your VP of product who was just talking. So yeah, just being able to feedback directly into what's going on at Bitsight, see what's going on, see what's coming up. It's all about, as a CISO, as you get more senior, it's harder and harder to find value in going and speaking to people, and you have to kind of pick and choose what you're going to do, etc. So yeah, I've not been to this event before, wasn't sure what it was going to be like, but yeah, I got value from speaking to various people and building those relationships.
And it's been absolutely fantastic to have the opportunity to come here, intermingle with all the peers and get a better understanding of where we're going to in the industry as a whole.
To me, knowledge is actually more than money. Knowledge is valuable. And for me to be here today, the value that it's going to actually add to me is not only what I do in the organization, it's what other people do in their organization. And the knowledge from those is actually added to me, and I can bring it back home. And that's the value of this kind of group today.